Imagine buying a flower bulb that costs more than a house. That's not a metaphor, it happened. In the winter of 1637, the Dutch Republic, one of the wealthiest economies on earth, lost its mind over tulips, and for a brief, bizarre moment, a single tulip bulb could sell for 10 times a craftsman's annual wage. This was Tulip Mania, and today, it's remembered as the first recorded economic bubble. But what really happened? Was it a national obsession, a market meltdown, or a myth inflated for effect? Let's dig into the petals of panic. The rise of the tulip. Tulips came to Europe from the Ottoman Empire. Exotic, rare, hard to cultivate, and utterly mesmerizing. These broken tulips were genetic anomalies caused by a virus that made them look hypnotic. Botanists classified bulbs with names like Semper Augustus and Viceroy, and prices began to rise. Their colors weren't basic reds and yellows. Some developed streaks, flames, and feather-like patterns. Collectors went wild. What started as gardening became gambling. The market bloomed. By the early 1630s, tulip bulbs became financial assets. People didn't even buy the flowers anymore. They bought futures contracts agreements to purchase bulbs months later. A single bulb might be traded dozens of times before it ever saw dirt. Prices skyrocketed. 1 bulb equals 2 tons of butter. How wild is that? 1 bulb equals a whole carriage and horses. 1 bulb equals an entire brick house. In Amsterdam, public taverns turned into trading floors. Craftsmen, nobles, and sailors all wanted in. No one wanted to miss the next big bloom, and then it wilted. The collapse. Contracts were abandoned, prices plummeted, and the market crashed. February 1637, at an auction in Haarlem, buyers refused to pay the sky-high price for tulips. Panic spread. Others argued the Dutch economy barely flinched. It wasn't widespread collapse, just speculative drama. Some bulbs lost 90% of their value in days. Others became worthless. People who had traded fortunes were left with flowers. Or rather, no flowers. Just paper promises in empty pots. Was it the first bubble? Or a story inflated by later historians? Myth or lesson? Here's the twist. Modern economists debate whether tulip mania was truly as catastrophic as legend claims. Some say only the ultra-rare bulbs hit absurd prices, but the symbol stuck. Today, tulip mania is used to describe meme stocks, crypto hype, Beanie Babies, NFTs, and celebrity stuff. It's no longer just about flowers. It's about the human habit of wanting more and fearing the miss. Tulips didn't ruin the world, they just revealed it. Thanks for watching. But if flowers could tank a market, what happens when fear poisons the air? Click through to the mad gasser of Mattoon, where shadows, sweet smells, and sudden paralysis gripped a town in 1944. Because sometimes the most contagious thing is panic.